To describe natural sounds in English, like a sound made by water, birds, or leaves, we quite often get stuck while speaking. So, first we'll take the sound that's made by water. When water flows gently, we call it murmuring or gurgling. So, we can say the stream water was gurgling slowly. And the next is the sound that's made by birds. That's called chirping, chirping sound. Every morning, I love listening to the chirping sound made by birds sitting on my window sill. So that's a chirping sound. And the last one is rustling. Rustling is a sound that's made by leaves. So for leaves, we can say every morning when I go for a walk, the rustling sound that's made by the leaves on the trees mesmerizes me. The rustling sound made by the leaves on the trees.